Hey everyone, welcome back to Revved Up Reviews. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Lexus UX300h. This compact luxury hybrid SUV is creating a buzz, but is it really worth the hype? Let's find out. The 2025 model brings some exciting updates. With a new hybrid system borrowed from the Toyota Prius, it promises better power and efficiency. But is it enough to set it apart in a crowded market? Lexus has also made subtle tweaks to the exterior design, enhancing its aerodynamics and giving it a fresher look. These changes aim to improve both the vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. But do these updates make a noticeable difference on the road? Let's dive deeper. Starting with the exterior, the UX300h features a bold new grille that gives it a distinctive look. The grille has been designed not just for aesthetics but also to improve airflow and cooling, which is crucial for hybrid efficiency. The alloy wheels are stylish and come in a new design that complements the overall look of the SUV, though some might find them a bit plain compared to the more aggressive styles offered by rivals. The LED headlights and tail lights enhance visibility and add a modern touch. These lights are not only brighter but also consume less energy, aligning with the hybrid's efficiency goals. However, the overall design might be a bit understated for those looking for something more eye-catching. What do you think? Does it strike the right balance between elegance and boldness? Stepping inside, the UX300h offers a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials throughout. Lexus has used soft-touch materials and leather upholstery to give a premium feel. The centerpiece is the 12.3-inch digital cluster, which is part of the new Lexus interface. It's sleek, intuitive, and provides all the necessary information at a glance. The infotainment system has been upgraded with faster processing power and improved graphics, making it more responsive and user-friendly. But what about space? Rear legroom is a bit cramped, which might be a deal breaker for taller passengers. The cargo space is also on the smaller side, which might be an issue for those who need to carry more luggage or gear. Do you think luxury should come with more space? When it comes to technology, the UX300h is loaded. Advanced driver aids and a state-of-the-art infotainment system are highlights. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless integration with your smartphone. The sound system is another strong point, providing crisp and clear audio for all your favorite tunes. But there have been reports of occasional glitches with the interface, such as lag or unresponsive touch controls. Have you experienced tech issues with Lexus vehicles? Share your thoughts below. Additionally, the voice recognition system, while advanced, sometimes struggles with accents or unclear commands. How important is seamless technology for you in a luxury vehicle? Under the hood, we have a 2.0-litre inline-4 hybrid engine that produces 196 combined horsepower. This engine is paired with a CVT for a smooth ride and optimal fuel efficiency. The 0 to 60 mph time is around 8.7 seconds, which is decent for a hybrid SUV, and it has a top speed of 112 mph. While it's not the quickest in its class, it's perfect for city driving and offers a balanced performance. The suspension setup also provides a comfortable ride, absorbing most bumps and road imperfections. However, if you're someone who enjoys a more spirited drive, you might find the UX300h a bit lacking in excitement. Do you value speed or efficiency more in an SUV? One of the UX300h's standout features is its fuel economy, boasting an impressive 43 miles per gallon combined. This makes it an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers. The hybrid system seamlessly switches between electric and gasoline power to maximize efficiency. However, some critics argue that the real-world mileage can be slightly lower, especially in heavy traffic or under aggressive driving conditions. Have you noticed a difference in fuel efficiency with hybrid cars? Does real-world performance matter more to you than official ratings? Safety is always a priority for Lexus, and the UX300h is no exception. It comes standard with a Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. These systems are designed to provide an extra layer of protection and peace of mind on the road. However, the absence of standard all-wheel drive might be a concern for some buyers, especially those living in areas with harsh weather conditions. The UX300h does offer an AWD option, but it's an additional cost. What's your take on hybrid SUV safety? Do you think these features justify the price? Pricing for the UX300h starts at around $37,000, which is quite competitive for a luxury hybrid SUV. It offers great value considering the level of luxury, technology, and efficiency it provides. However, the price can quickly rise with optional features and packages such as the AWD upgrade or premium audio system. Fully loaded, the UX300h can reach up to $45,000 or more. Is it worth the premium over other compact luxury SUVs? Would you be willing to pay extra for the added features and the Lexus badge. So what do you think of the 2025 Lexus UX300h? Is it the right choice for you, or does it fall short in any areas? Comment your thoughts below, like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily videos. Thanks for tuning in to Revved Up Reviews.